Hey guys, how y'all doing? Layla here, and welcome back to another episode of Croatian TV. And on today's episode of Croatian TV, we have a very special little present, a very special Valentine's Day gift from the lovely Soyou from Sister and EXO's very own little puppy, Baekhyun. Yes, so this is their duet track Rain. This was a bit of a surprise, I think. Maybe it was just me that found it surprising, but yeah, it was just kind of scrolling through Twitter and then, Soyou and Baekhyun having a duet track. I was like, okay. I'm super pumped for this track because like Soyou is a queen when it comes to duets. Like I remember, I think maybe last year or the year before, she was just releasing a lot of like duet tracks, and I was like, yes. And of course, Baekhyun, EXO's Baekhyun. Yeah, see, look. And this actually says Baekhyun on it. Hopefully, y'all can see it. Yes. It wasn't an intentional buy, but I saw it and I was like, let's go. But, I don't know. Shall we get started? Because I'm so excited about this. Pardon my hair, it looks a bit gross today, but I was just too excited I couldn't wait. So I'm ready. Are you ready? Let's go. 3, 2, 1, play. Mustache Films. So it looks like it's going to be a movie, and it'll just be featuring their voices. Oh, Soyu's voice is beautiful. Like, I know Sister does release a lot of, like, dance tracks, but I like this side of Soyu's voice. Because it's really soft and it's sweet. That's how I feel about life. Girl, I feel you. I understand that pain. Oh, you see something? Ooh, Slinky. Dance, girl. Dance like no one's watching. Oh my god. That was kind of creepy because it was like... That's what I'm waiting for. Yay. That was great. I can't, like, I think my only thing with the song is, like, I wish they kind of, like, harmonized more, like, with more overlap, but I think, yeah, that's just me being picky. Like, their voices just meld so well together, and it's, like, it's more of a gentler, not as pushy, like, not as, I guess, not pushy, I guess harsh on the vocals, like some of their other songs, but yeah, that was just beautiful. And the MV was very pleasing to watch. Like, the aesthetic of the MV was just, I guess, I don't know what's going on. I guess maybe she's waiting for someone. Maybe I guess, I feel like the rain thing is a metaphor, because, like, maybe it's only in the rain that the happiness happens. I don't know. I don't know. I'm never good with these kinds of, like, interpretations of music videos and whatnot, because it's like, it's just me. But yeah, overall, a beautiful song, beautiful collaboration. I've heard that this has gotten, like, all kills across different music stations and whatnot, so yeah, awesome job, you guys. And this was only released like a couple of hours ago, so well done to Soyou and Baekhyun. So anyway, thank you all so much for joining me. Let me know what you guys thought of Rain down in the comments below, or if you've got any other music videos that you want me to react to, just leave them down in the comments below. Please continue to support Soyou and Sistar for their future activities, as well as Baekhyun and EXO as well. I'm sure this coming year, I should say, I'm sure there's multitudes and multitudes of opportunities and stuff. Please continue to support and love both groups. Yay, spread the love, guys. Thank you again so much for joining me, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye, guys!